I've never seen these. I'm a corporate girly, so that means we've gotta work. Now I have to design my thumbnail. This is our little midnight snack.
The birds aren't even up and I'm tweaking.
I just can't catch a break. I want to go on vacation. If you have your club card, please scan it now. Okay, listen guys. So I was in the aisle and I was like, what? Like, these are new. I've never seen these. It's the extra creamy original unsweetened. I always get the extra creamy normal, not the unsweetened. So this would be nice because then I can add my own sugar. And then I didn't know they had this barista lovers. Like, oh, it's gonna be like extra creamy, extra creamy. So interesting. Okay, this is the matcha with the barista lovers milk. It didn't froth as well as the original extra creamy. Let's do a little taste test, shall we? Okay, don't get me wrong, it's good. But it's low-key not as creamy as the extra creamy for some reason. And I feel like the barista lovers should be more creamy than the extra creamy. I think extra creamy is just gonna be my go-to as usual. Also, the foam isn't like, it's kind of like a watery foam versus a like creamy foam. So it's just like air. It's time to start working because it's Friday and Fridays don't mean I don't work. And oh, girl. And I'm a corporate girly, so that means we've gotta work. Yeah. Guess who finished editing the vlog on Friday? Ugh. I always cut it so close, but it's taking 4 hours. It's gonna take 4.5 hours to export, so I'm just waiting here. Next thing I have to do is the thumbnail, and then I'll be done. But, yeah, okay. I need to like start editing my videos on Monday, so then I like have a free Friday, because I feel like my Fridays are just like last minute editing and thumbnails and working. I feel like very overwhelmed because I work a 9 to 5 on top of everything, and it's a lot, but I do enjoy it. So it really is really hard on me, but I feel like I get stressed out with all of this, but I like just tell myself it's worth it. It's fine, you're fine, like don't worry. Even though I'm struggling. That's currently what it is right now. We'll see if I make it. Hi. Okay, I finished editing. Everything's exported. Now I have to design my thumbnail. It takes me like an hour to do this, but wait, maybe I'll just show you guys my process. But basically, like, I find a whole bunch of pictures that I took throughout the days that I was vlogging, and then I will just cut them out and then kind of make a collage with them. Yeah, and I do this all on the iPad. Yeah, that's what I do. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see this very well. So basically I have like a few artboards here and then my old thumbnails for reference, just so I can like make sure the vibes are the same. Usually they are the same because the pictures that I take kind of have all the same vibe. This is how I do my thumbnails. I'll just like find a whole bunch of pictures, and then once I find the ones that I want, I'll start to like crop out some of the stuff. I want to crop out this mug and maybe the plant. So basically I just like cut it out like this, and then based on where I want to put it, like this end stuff will usually be like not there. So if I have something here, it'll just like be in the corner. That's kind of like the vibe. And I just like cut out the rest and then kind of piece it together. But yeah, this is like my time to unwind. I honestly really like doing the thumbnail. It's very relaxing. Put some music on, unwind, relax, and get creative with it. So I'll be doing that and I'll check in with you guys and show you guys the end result. Okay, so I finished the thumbnail. This is what it looks like. I just like overlaid everything on top. Yeah. Oh, hello, mister. What? Are you hungry? Yeah. Oh. Anyway, this is the thumbnail. So you probably already saw this thumbnail because it's going out tomorrow, which is technically last week. But anyway, yeah, that's the vibe. Hi, sorry I look so crusty right now. I just did my skincare. My hair's dirty. Don't worry, I'm gonna wash it tomorrow. But hey, no, can you excuse me? Anyway, this is our little midnight snack. It's currently 10:15 p.m. This is the vibe. We're eating apples and almond butter. Look, I love this snack. It's like so refreshing. Delightful. Anyway, I'm gonna watch some Ugly Betty, and that'll be the end to my Friday night. Cool. Okay, Beanie, can you please? Girl! Oh my god. I got it all over my bed.
There's something about waking up at the crack of dawn and drinking a freezing cold energy drink. Cannot compare. The birds aren't even up and I'm tweaking. Today's cardio day, so that's why I have the energy drink. I love waking up early because no one else is awake. It's so annoying because there's like a fish tank over there, so that's probably why you could hear like this sound. Yeah. Guys, I came into my room. The sunrise is so pretty. I'm like, this is actually concerning. Look. Oh my god. Wait, I'm actually like just sweating.
Girl. Oh, where's my clip? Hi. Doing our skincare right now. I just decided not to wash my hair because, you know. Look at my skin, guys. She's doing so much better. Like, obviously, like, we've got a little bit of the pimples here and there. But I feel like, I don't know, like I really feel like my skin is glowing, like it feels stronger, and I really stand by not washing your face in the morning. Like the fact that I stopped washing my face and my skin got better was crazy to me. Also, I stopped using like the super exfoliating products, and I feel like that really helped my skin. I think it's because my skin barrier was messed up. She was like freaking out a little bit, but now I've scaled back and I started using like more hydrating products. A lot of it's like Korean, but basically I've been using these like Mixsoon and I feel like they're really helping. Also, this Peach and Lily one is really good. It feels so soothing and hydrating, and I don't feel like my face is gonna burn off when I use it. But yeah, I can definitely see a difference. I also started incorporating a retinol once a week because I just don't want to like overpower my skin. This is the vibe. Like, I don't know, can you see the texture of my skin is improving? It's less red than before. My scarring is like fading a little bit more. Maybe I'm the only one who can notice, but I look at my face every single day, so maybe that's why I'm like hypercritical about it. And honestly, if I see it, That's all that matters. Also, someone commented on my other video and they were like, girl, aren't you posting like glow up videos every single week? And I'm like, you caught me. No. We're glowing up every week because my life falls apart every single week and then I have to like rebuild it up again every single week. I don't know what's wrong with me, but I'll get into these like weird funks. My mind is like chaos, and so I feel like I need to do like a weekly or monthly reset all the time. My life just goes in shambles like every other day, and I just can't catch a break. Like, it's not even that I can't catch a break, it's just like I can't keep up with my own life. It has to do with like the fact that I'm always so busy. It does get a bit overwhelming sometimes, but I'm working on it. I'm working on finding better balance. You win some, you lose some. You win some, you lose some. Am I right?
What? You're so cute. You're so cute.
Hi. I just did my makeup. I put dry shampoo in my hair, but like, I feel like it's not, the hair is not hairing. Actually, wait. It's okay. It's fine. It's a lazy day today. I don't even have plans, so I don't know why I care so much. Anyway, let me show you my outfit. Okay. So I got the Uniqlo top, and the extra warm is the move, guys. Like, it's a little short on the sleeves, but it keeps me so warm, and it's just like a simple top, and it's not as see-through as the normal heat tech. I wish it was a little tighter around this area, but honestly, like, it's cute. It's fine. Or it's the teenage sweats as usual, because they keep me warm. So, guys, what's the plan today? What are we doing? My parents aren't home, so I'm just like home alone and I don't know what to do. Is everyone going through this? Like, I don't know what to do. Like, I'm bored. Okay, please write in the comments things that I can do while I'm bored, because I feel weird. Like, I got ready for the day and now what? The things that I can think of doing either involve spending money or having a lot of friends. Or both. Yeah, maybe I should just make my matcha. Like, let's just get into... Yeah, I don't even know what I'm trying to say. Let's go make some matcha. Okay, guys, we're gonna make our matcha, but today we're gonna do almond milk. I've never used almond I've never used almond milk for my matchas, so we're gonna see how this turns out. I feel like it might be bad, but it's fine. We're gonna do an iced latte today. So for my iced ones, I never really use the whisk. I use the electric whisk. I know that it's bad and you shouldn't really do that, but I'm lazy, so it's fine. But anyway, I'm using my Iburo Sayaka Namikashi. See how this tastes. I'm like honestly kind of scared to use this for the almond milk one, but whatever. For my iced matcha, I like to get like a rounded scoop to have more of the matcha flavor. And then we just whisk her in. Now that the matcha's in, we're gonna add some sugar, honey, and then some of this hormone powder that I've been using. I feel like this is also helping keeping my skin clear. This much. Just put that in. Some sugar and a little honey. So this is the concoction. Okay, before we put the almond milk in, I want to try it first of all because I'm kind of scared. This is the Trader Joe's one, by the way. Oh, it's not bad. She's kind of thick, but it's fine. Pour our water in here, swirl it around, whisk her up. Oh, it's not bad, but I prefer oat milk. Like it's not the greatest, I would say. With like I don't think I would do this again. So cozy. Except I have an iced drink, but that's fine. Honestly, not that bad. I added a splash of whipping cream because I needed it to be a little like thicker. Pretty good. I still think that the Planet Oat Extra Creamy is the best for matcha. Like it's just so good. I do want to try soy milk, so I'm gonna get that next time. Guys, I want to go on vacation so bad. I haven't traveled in a while. I'm the type of person that I cannot stay in the same place for too long. And I just want to go somewhere. I mean, I did go to LA, but I want to go somewhere far. Like I want to go to a different
climate. You know what I mean?
Yeah, goal for 2024, travel more, and do more things. I feel like I'm always waiting for my friends to like want to go somewhere. Always waiting for someone else to like come up with the idea to go somewhere. But at the same time, like I want to go by myself, but I feel like that's scary. Like I don't know how I would travel by myself. I feel like as a girl, it is really scary to travel by myself, but like I feel it'd be so cool to travel alone, like travel solo somewhere, like maybe like somewhere far. Oh my god. But I do have to work, so like that's not that feasible. So like I don't know if I can work internationally. I don't know how those laws work. In a perfect world, I would be traveling the world and working at the same time. Like that sounds so cool. Okay, people. This is the outfit for today. Tense velvet cardigan, Uniqlo heat tech, and my pool house jeans. And these jeans I've been wearing so many times over the last few weeks. I literally got them and I put them on and I was like, they're literally perfect. Like, look at my butt. It looks so good. Anyway, guess who's going to a coffee shop? Guess who's going to the library? Guess who's doing work? We're being productive. But first, I need to eat something. Before we go, I wanted to try this cold brew thing. Let's make a little to-go cup. Do a little sip. I'm gonna add a little splash of cream. It just tastes like coffee. Okay, I got my coffee, got my bag. Let's go. Guys, the caffeine in this is crazy. I don't really drink coffee. You guys know that I don't really drink coffee, so like when I do drink coffee, it's like, ah! Literally only took one sip. And why do I, like my heart is racing. Anyway, let's go pick up Johnny. She's kind of acidic though. Ugh. Oh, okay. Guys, this popcorn from Trader Joe's is so good. It's so addicting. I just got home. I'm starving, but my parents are coming home soon. So this is my snack. Also, by the way, the pickle popcorn they used to have was so good, but they don't sell it anymore, which is very unfortunate because it's literally my favorite. They used to sell a pickle seasoning. So next time it comes in stock, like I'm getting it, I'm gonna douse it on this because like I feel like that's gonna be fire.